Hello everyone, we are from Iskon Remedies, Himachal Pradesh, manufacturer of injections and eye drops. We are here for Hyderabad to present our all the injections, and these are all life-saving drugs. We are manufacturer since 2006, and almost 19 years we are making life-saving drugs. All over India supplies and some exports also. So we are here in the Hyderabad. Yeah. Footfall, let us see. It's just starting only, and hope so. It will be good for all of us. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.